Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over a pricing guide explanation on Typeform. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in Typeform, but you're wondering which pricing plan is right for you. Now I'm on a dummy account, but the way that Typeform has worked for me is that it mostly depends on how many responses you plan on getting per month, okay? There's like some other additives, which I'll be going over shortly. So for example, for the free plan, if you only plan on getting 10 responses per month, which is extremely limited, you can probably get by with the free plan. If you're looking to get 100 responses, which is still pretty limited when it comes to running a business, you'll probably want to upgrade to Teams and get anywhere between 1,000 plus responses, okay? So with Typeform, I'd say the main factor when it comes to deciding between pricing plans is how many responses do you plan on getting per month, okay? Per month. So it does reset. Now, the other things that they give you here as far as boosting brand awareness, customizing data collection, the only thing that I would actually go for and what my team has gone for as well are the drop-off rates. So it is important to track and manage your data and understand where in your form people are dropping off. So this for me was pretty important, as well as the Metapixel integration was also pretty important when it came to running Facebook ads as well related to the Typeforms. But with that though, if you want to keep it simple, just base it off of the number of responses that you plan on getting per month, whether it's 1,000, 10,000. If you need more seats, meaning that if you need to invite more people to your Typeform account, you can also upgrade it versus 3 seats versus 5 seats. But with that being said, Typeform itself, there is a monthly or yearly subscription plan. With the yearly plan, you are going to save a bit of money, but that's just like with any software as a service. So you can choose between monthly and yearly subscriptions. So the monthly you can see is $59 per month versus $50 per month if you pay for the year. If you're just trying out Typeform, I would say just try it out for a month. And if it's just you, just try it out with the basic plan for 100 responses per month. But Typeform itself has been absolutely phenomenal in allowing us to actually get a lot of feedback and answers from potential leads and prospects. But if you haven't signed up for Typeform just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. It would be greatly appreciated and you'd help support the channel. Now, I do want to point out that if you do need more than 10,000 responses per month, you could always click on this toggle button and get up to 50,000 responses per month, for example. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain Typeform's pricing structure. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.